one is also another original. It's an unreleased song. It's a cute little pop love song. So yeah, hope you enjoy this one too. Do you ever get jealous? You can tell me the truth. I don't mind if you do. I know you can't help it. But I got no one to tell. I want you out on myself. You got me wrapped around your fingers, but letting go is easier. You'll find someone who love you like I do. Ooh, why is it so hard to cross that line with you? But I want you back and hope you want me too. Now I'm stuck in the middle, I don't know what to do. But I want you back and hope you want me too. But I want you back and I hope you want me too. Want me too. But if I throw in the towel, maybe if I would leave, you tell your friends about me. Baby, I don't know how, but I knew it right from the start. To take a seat in your car, I promise to hold out my hands. But you please be gentle, try to understand you. Cause there's no one else who would love me like I do. Ooh, why is it so hard to cross the line with you? But I want you back and I hope you want me too. Now I'm stuck in the middle, I don't know what to do. But I want you back and I hope you want me too. I want you back and I hope you want me too. Want me too.